just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh.
Okay, so we've got something super awesome planned today. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy to us. It's not a ton in the grand scheme of things, but to us, it's huge. So we're gonna do something really huge to celebrate. We're giving away 1,000 cookies, which takes way longer to bake than you would think. Honestly, it was a whole lot of work that somebody over here did. So we're giving 1,000 cookies away to random strangers who will become friends. We're pumped about this. And we're in our home city here of Indianapolis. What a better place to do it.
Yeah, we've been baking and baking, and we finally have 1,000 cookies, plus a few extras, which is great. But there's no way we can do this alone though, because that's a lot of cookies to give out. So we've enlisted the help of a few friends. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
All right, these guys are awesome. They came out here with us to help us. Let me introduce you to them.
You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound.
Okay, so now that you've met the crew, we're about ready to get going. We have 200 bags with 5 cookies each. We're gonna give them to 200 different people, 1,000 cookies total in 4 different areas of our city. We're super pumped. If you like this idea, hit the like button below, like right now, go do it, because then we'll do more cool stuff like this. So yeah, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go! Okay, so our first stop here is the Soldiers and Sailors Monument on the Circle in downtown Indianapolis. This is kind of the central hub for all of Indy, the city of 2 million people. Such a cool little center area for the city, and there are always people here hanging out. So this is one of my favorite cities in the whole world. We've traveled all over the world, and genuinely, Indianapolis is one of my favorite places. So comment below, do you love Indianapolis? Have you been here? What's your favorite city on earth? And we're gonna go give out cookies.
You want some Christmas cookies?
Well, sure, I'll take some Christmas cookies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
You guys want some Christmas cookies?
Yeah, I got my cookies.
We're celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel by giving away 1,000 cookies. So there you go, man. No problem.
We're celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, so we're passing out 1,000 cookies. Would you like one too?
Can I get one to baby Jesus?
Sure. Just leave it there for him. He'll come back.
Okay, so the second location we're giving out cookies is here on the near west side of Indianapolis, and it might be one of my favorites because that right there is one of our church buildings. Now, our church meets on 2 different sides of downtown Indy, and we are specifically meeting in this area, the near west, because it's one of the hardest areas of town. It has the lowest income in Indianapolis and the highest crime rate. And you might ask, well, why would you go to a place that has those things? It's because we love the people here and we love meeting people in their brokenness, kind of like as we're giving out cookies. We just love sharing that blessing. And personally for me, my life before I knew Jesus was a wreck, and I was just a depressed person. And Jesus met me in the middle of that. So we love being in a place where people are in hardship and are going through stuff. So yeah, so let's give some cookies out to people that, you know, really need them. Let's do it. We're celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel by giving out Christmas cookies, 1,000 cookies. So, want some cookies? We're giving away 1,000 cookies. I got cookies for both of you guys. Yeah? You want cookies? Thanks, have a good night.
Would you like some cookies? Yeah.
Oh, you want cookies? How many people you got back home? You get a bunch of cookies. There you go. Have a good one, man. 1,000 cookies. So there you go, man. We're celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel by giving out 1,000 cookies. So there's some Christmas cookies for you. Have a good night. Yeah. So there is a taco truck over there. And I think if we gave them cookies, it would only be polite to also order something.
It's only the right thing to do.
I mean, it's just polite. for our third destination. This is Mass Ave, Massachusetts Avenue. It's kind of the art district of Indianapolis. Such a cool area, bunch of different art studios and bunch of really cool shops, that kind of thing. But this here, this used to be the Coke bottling plant. It's been renovated into this hotel and this eating area. Super cool. But you know what artists need more than anything? Free food. So we're gonna give them some cookies. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Like seriously, you're watching a video about subscriptions and you haven't, come on, hit the button below. But if you have subscribed, thank you. You guys are awesome. You're letting us do this. Let's give some cookies away.
But that's kind of our theme, is pursue adventures.
Good to meet you guys. Give away some cookies.
All right. Yeah! Hey guys, can I stop you real quick? We just hit 1,000 subscribers to our YouTube channel, so we made 1,000 cookies to pass out. So we made 1,000 cookies that we're passing out to celebrate.
Happy for a second.
Show me you got some.
1,000 cookies, 1,000 cookies, 1,000 cookies to celebrate. You guys want some?
Do you want some cookies?
We made 1,000 cookies.
We're giving out 1,000 cookies.
We're giving out 1,000 cookies.
You want some cookies?
We're giving out 1,000 cookies.
Celebrating by passing out 1,000 cookies.
Tired?
Why'd you kick that?
So the last stop on our very cold adventure is Broad Ripple, which is kind of the party side of town. There's a lot of really cool places around here, great shops, a ton of really great restaurants. But it's a Tuesday night, it's freezing, it's the week before Christmas. This is not the time to come. We really only have to get rid of a few more cookies. So why are we in Broad Ripple? Well, because there's a Thai restaurant right here, and so many of our subscribers are from Thailand. We are so thankful for you guys, and so many of our videos so far are from Thailand. We've got a bunch of other countries planned. We've already got things on the books that we're doing in the next year that we're really excited about, but a lot of this started in Thailand. So I think it's fitting that this ends with some Thai food. Yeah? All right, we're gonna pad crop how this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you haven't. You guys are incredible. There's really no reason that we should have 1,000 subscribers outside of you guys. You guys are awesome. So thank you. I can't wait to see where we go from here. It's cold, let's eat. That's where we go from here, is we get food.
Just the way you like it. The way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
Hey babe, can you get the powdered sugar? I need some powdered sugar.
Yep.
Just sprinkle it on the top of them before.
Actually,
a little too much.
Look
but
at the
that works.
camera. We need to do a thumbnail.
Seriously?
That was so much funnier than I thought it would be. I totally overdid that.
Take the picture quick. You gotta be kidding me.